I don't know why, again and again, time and again, I'm being asked to tell you sit in your power. Hello, Capricorn. Welcome, new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely, lovely Moonians. This is a monthly reading for January 2021. Now we'll get used to that. So, Happy New Year and happy birthday to all of you, divine ones. So, let's see what's coming in for Jan. We will be looking into love and the channel messages coming in from the divine. So, we have inner child healing coming in as a major theme or something that you may like to indulge in past life, like something of the past. Basically, this energy coming in is realizing yourself, being in your authentic self, empowered version of yourself, all that, the person you have grown into, owning it. All right. And this is telling you to become your own parent, your inner child's parent, or this could be a cue coming in for someone who you are dealing with. So we will be looking into love, but love is just not romance. It's everywhere, it flows everywhere. So you may be coming in to listen to maybe you're someone special or your person, but you may get messages in regards to someone else you care about, someone you are in partnership with, whether it is friendship, any kind of relationship, work wise also. All right, so that is the energy which is coming in, being gentle with yourself and also having fun. At the bottom we have joy and contentment coming through. So what in a way is coming in, oh my god, I'm so excited. What is really coming in is that stop to smell the roses, appreciate what you have built, nurtured in your life, take the time off, rest and rejuvenate. That kind of energy which is coming through. All right, I will be tagging in a meditation for inner child healing also if you want. All right, so we have Knight of Wheels coming through, which is talking about Knight of Pentacles coming in, and this may be a time of becoming a student once again. So the childlike energy which is coming through, skills that can be worked upon career wise as well. We have Page of Cups coming in reverse, holding back a little bit of woundedness which may be coming in, a little bit of anxiety that may be there, uncertainty due to that, or a new venture that you have to step into even emotionally, but there's certain kind of clearing which is very much required. So healing is the energy, nurturing is the energy which is coming through. And we have the Hanged Man coming in, which is the Libran major arcana coming through, in suspension, whatever is good for you. That kind of a thing is coming in, whether it comes in terms of taking a break or choosing a path which is more advantageous for you. But this may be a time wherein a lot of people will be coming in, supporting you, or even giving you feedback or certain kind of their own resolutions. And this is calling upon for you to take your emotions into consideration also while you are looking at things practically, which is coming through. So it's not just led by the heart or led by the head, but it's a synergy which comes through, and you will be coming up with creative resolutions also. We have the Queen of Swords coming in, I'll keep it like this, and we have the Eight of Swords also coming in. So this is a reality check that may be coming through, but moreover, this is saying is that have we become so goal oriented, ambitious, or like so independent that it is difficult for us to let go of that control is coming through. Let love in is also coming in a little. Look at the situation, you have the strength to cut cords with anything that is no longer serving you, is the energy which is coming in. But overall, what I really see is this ambitious person, work oriented person, or some aspect which has become very strong in your life, and it may be curtailing you from emoting yourself. That kind of energy is coming in. So like it's almost like a corporate person who is being asked to do something fun, ignite that playfulness, youthful spirit in you. That kind of energy is coming in because we need balance, rest and rejuvenation. Take your time is coming through. This seems more like a past kind of a energy. If you split this into two people, I feel there are certain things which are like, just carrying on with the routine. Someone is being asked to step into the emotional world, while someone is being asked to again step into the emotional world, but let the healing which is very much required, certain kind of forgiveness that is required, because there's certain kind of ache which someone has held on to. So with the Queen of Swords coming in, air energies coming through. Air signs are Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Gemini, Libra energy is coming through quite a bit, balancing the scales coming in, equal give and take coming through. If there is certain kind of separation, I feel this person is still hurt, that coming in, but someone who is inspired slowly and steadily because they have been working on themselves is inspired for second chance. That kind of energy is coming in, but take your time, don't jump into it, see the whole picture is also coming in. I'll just keep them like the normal way because I all right. Can we get some clarifiers? Thank you. We have very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Yeah, a resolution is coming in, a breakthrough decision making, life changing decision that may be coming through over here. Someone inspired to take an action. And we have romantic feelings also coming in. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Right now, someone is being asked to let go of the past in order to move forward in a relationship, also with you, perhaps. But in life, is what is coming through. There are certain kind of blockages that they have to overcome before they can start feeling this again. I don't know. There is something where someone got hurt and then completely focused on their work. This side could be you, this side could be you. When I am reading as a reader, this is Capricorn for me and the other person in question. But take what resonates, and it could be like, this is a general reading, so this may resonate or this may resonate, whatever. We have trust coming in. This situation is calling for you to have faith. I feel like there are certain kind of really old wounds which may be coming in right now, and there's nothing wrong in that. It's just like now is a time that, when you experience that challenge, obstacle in your life which caused you pain for both, which is coming in. There's more strength coming through over here, more hope which is coming in, a little bit of cloudiness or grayish area which is coming in over here, all right? But they are right behind you is also coming through. I feel like now when you come face to face with something that you have to clear, a certain kind of final closure, perhaps, you'll realize that you have outgrown that mold, that sense of reality, or that guard that you had to put to secure yourself. You've outgrown it, is what I'm seeing over here. Retreat, it's time to disconnect from the world, free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life, which is coming through religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. And we have children, your love life is being affected by children, someone's immaturity, perhaps little children which may be there, which is why someone may be a little distant because they are trying to build their life or give their attention to children. Someone may be thinking about having children, but they are not really there. A little nervous while they can foresee a future, building a family with you, starting a family with you. Certain kind of nervousness which is coming in, but yeah, there are romantic feelings which are over here. I somehow feel there's a little bit of withholding information which is coming through, but trying to find the strength within to come through over here and express themselves to you is coming through. And with that additional information, you'll be able to make a judgment. Clearer judgment is the energy which is coming through over here. What is your energy? Capricorn's energy, this side energy. We have artist. Little attribute, light attributes are expressing a dimension of life that is just beyond the five senses, inspiring others to see life symbolically, which is coming in synchronicities that may be happening. And I feel this inspiration, this spark, which is coming in to learn new things, and aspiring energy, which is coming through over here. Creative resolutions, which is coming in, but yeah, to feel freer, perhaps, like, to lighten the load of any kind. Do something which brings you happiness. Some passionate hobby of yours also in your leisure time is coming in. But there's a change in the energy which can be felt by this person also. You may be inspiring them to acknowledge certain parts of themselves and make their lives emotionally also warmer in a certain way. And we have the alchemist coming in shadow attributes, because it was like this, is misuse of the power and knowledge that come through spiritual practice coming in reverse. I feel there's a little bit of lack of confidence into achieving or making their dreams a waking reality, not ready to experiment, a little bit of rigidity that may be there because of the queen of swords and the eight of swords also over here. Mellowing the pride is also coming in for some reason. We have reps, represents the nature of the divine in life and in yourself with the guide over here. Someone has to let go of the ego self, and starve the ego and feed their soul, kind of a thing. The only thing is, like, Queen of Swords at times becomes very cold hearted and distant. So, is it something that you said that made them distant, or something that they're undergoing, reminded of something of the past, and they want to heal themselves or release that energy on their own, kind of a energy which is coming through? Career driven also, but in a way, so much so that they completely get submerged in work. That kind of energy is coming in. So, there is a little bit of imbalance which is coming in. I don't know. Let's see. New ideas which are coming in. Use your creativity, whatever you do professionally. Use your Creativity is just not artistically expressed, but there's so many ways of expression is all I'm going to say. Utilize it. We have the Empress coming in, and we have the World card coming through. Wow, major arcanas, fulfillment, celebration, and we have beauty and abundance coming in. And so interesting, this is the number 3, and 21, when you add it together, is a number 3 as well. They are in a way mirroring you, but first they need to balance things out and get out of certain kind of initiation, or get out of a phase of initiation is coming in, to get to the part of expressing themselves, acknowledging that they have very very deep feelings with the whale over here. No, whoever, yeah, you complete their world. I just feel someone who's very very nervous. I don't know why, but there's certain kind of nervousness which is coming in over here. Could be Scorpio fixed sign coming through, Scorpio, Aquarius, Leo, and Taurus, and the Empress coming in over here. Being your abundant self draws them in. They may be taking a pause because they really want to come towards you. They're exploring there's a very strong divine masculine energy coming in, and divine feminine, obviously, with the Empress also coming through. But there is this mirroring energy before becoming the Empress, or before becoming your emperor or empress, that, like, coming to a level where they can really offer what you truly deserve, kind of a way, whether you are in a partnership or not, romantically also. But I feel there's this, the next step now is to open up to their emotions. I don't know, someone who's restricting it a little or is a little hesitant. It's all like, they're feeling very deeply, quite massively, but on the outside they're being very calm. But the Empress is being asked to sit in her power, value herself, and that has changed their love for you, their feelings for you, their perspective about you is also coming in. And overall, if you see financially also, I feel like, you upgrading, doing some workshop, something which gives you a certain kind of specialization, uh, an additional skill set, will really make you up, like stand out in the world, new opportunities which will be coming in. Career wise, this is a very, very strong time for you guys, is what is coming in. But make sure that you're taking time to rest and rejuvenate, heal whatever needs to be healed. We have the hermit at the end, like at the bottom, and at the top, we have ace of feathers coming in. New communication which will be coming through, new foundations which will be made once mental clarity is achieved. The goatee coming through over here. Listen to your intuition. A lot of downloads are happening. What are you being called to do is also coming through over here. Whatever you set your eyes upon, mind upon, the moment you make a decision, could be you also having certain kind of cold feet in a new, for pursuing a new endeavor, changing jobs, becoming an entrepreneur also. But the moment you start believing in it, your path, once you make that final decision, by not overly contemplating about it or overly trying to control the outcome, the moment you let go of the outcome, universe will start getting that very same thing that you let go of, control of, is the energy which is coming through. And in the meantime, even if you're waiting for certain kind of results to come in, actively wait is coming through, irrespective of any kind of aspect of your life. Don't overly think, do what feels right for your own self in your personal time is also coming through. But keep doing what you're doing, elevate yourself, build yourself up, because the world is opening up for you is the energy which is coming through. Recognition which is coming in, becoming your oyster. All that is required is for you to like really clearly decide so that it starts coming towards you. Clear up clogging energy is also coming in over here. Is there anything coming in for Capricorn? Messages. Thank you. We have presence coming in. Wow. Downloads which are happening. Guardian angel, support, protection which is there. All your dreams, even your loved ones are protected. The next steps that you take are very much vital. So get cracking is the energy which is coming in. I'll I'll read this card's message for you. We have humility, grounding yourself, which will be very, very essential. Archangel Uriel coming in with crown chakra awakening also, and motivation to go forward. Sagittarian energy coming in over here, and forgiveness, which is very much required in order to move forward. For life to start flowing more naturally is also coming through. Surrender the how is coming in. All right, let me just quickly read what this is saying. This says, the angel of presence directs you to let your presence shine forth for the good of all. Open your heart to the angel and ask her to show you the positive, beautiful aspects in the people around you as well as in yourself. Building your confidence will enhance your own presence and light the spark of the divine in the hearts of everyone around you. Lot of nurturing energy, love starts from within is the energy which is coming in. So some people are being asked to dive deeper within certain kind of traumas that may have become part of you. And when you see your other partner, especially if they are your divine counterpart, you see them, this is what you need to do, this is what you need to figure out, you need to heal. But at the end of it, you have to start realizing that what you're seeing in that person, the lack or what they need to work upon, may be a reflection of what you also need to work upon, is something which is coming through over here. The affirmation is, as I align myself to the loving presence of the divine, I too am aware of my own presence among others. Give and take in balance is also something which is coming through. But yeah, this is a time wherein you use your talents, luxury, success which is coming in, recognition which will be coming through. Make your presence felt is what is coming through. Free yourself from the past. Embrace your creativity. Your intuition will also be helping you make, giving you additional information to take that leap of faith in certain ways which help you grow in life, progress. Focusing your attention on something more productive is also coming through. Letting go of fear of any kind. Surrender the how coming in time and again. There's a very different feel to this reading. I don't know. Just don't feel like going towards romance so much. It's the new year. Blessings. So many blessings coming in. So, we have elk with nobility. Celebrate your accomplishments with humility. You are crowned with success. Powerful forces guide you. Your ability to conquer challenges is limitless. Your scope is limitless. Embrace that as your waking reality. We have peacock vibrancy coming in. You were born to shine and inspire. Practice humility to avoid jealousy. Wow, humility coming in for the third time now. Be grateful for life and more good things will come. Be true to yourself and recognize your brilliance coming in. Yeah, raise your vibrations also. Peacock at times is also reminding you because sometimes when the Empress is in reverse, she or he or they overly give, making someone else also feel overwhelmed or like overly nurturing, overly mothering. And peacocks take care of their loved ones, of their children also, but there comes a time where they have to start living for themselves. So this may be a reminder of setting your sights higher, elevating yourself, valuing yourself, what you have to offer more now, setting in your power energy coming through time and again. You are brilliant. Remember that. Don't let anything dim your shine, not even your ego self. We have eagle mastery coming in. You are on a spiritual journey beyond the sky. Let go of the past and soar. You are guided by the winds of spirit. Your wisdom inspires the world coming through. Wow. And we have deer with love coming through. Be gentle with yourself. You heal with the power of love. See the light in all things. Acknowledge your self worth and grace coming in. Yeah, a reminder of softening the edges a little, letting go of the past, doing the healing which is required. It may be like, you come in and inspire someone to heal a part of themselves, heal a phase of their life, make them understand that that is over. Now is the time to learn from whatever it was because it was an experience and a lesson learned for them, whoever this is. You may help someone look at things from a higher perspective, is also coming through over here quite significantly. Let's look into the chits a little and see what kind of messages may be coming in from your person or the person you are trying to inquire about, or the person you who you felt came through in this reading. Thank you. Wow. We have love and healing coming through, heart chakra awakening, healing coming through. We are soulmates coming in, yeah, divine counterpart energy which is coming through. Sometimes also understanding that soulmates come in and exit also for you to grow on your spiritual path is coming through. But an acknowledgement is coming in over here. They realize you are part of the soul family. There is a karmic contract or a spiritual contract that you are going to finish in this lifetime, complete in this lifetime, sorry. Never thought this would be us coming in, especially if there's certain kind of conflict which has been going on, a, a little bit of rift that has been created. Feel someone offering an olive branch, could be you or the other person, but it will come in very innately out of fondness for one another. This says, I wonder if you'll Love, the unseen parts of me, can I open up, coming through. Someone who wants to really open up. Yeah, it has been coming in, but nervous. Maybe this is someone who has kept a little bit of a facade, a little bit of deception, because they felt, or the way life has transpired for them, the way they have journeyed, they feel there is a little bit of falsehood or a facade that they have to create to be welcomed or accepted in the world, is the energy which is coming in. But now they find themselves a little limited by their own character or the facade that they have created, and it will take some time and your warmth for them to open up, is also coming in. Do help them if you feel called to, but there comes a point where you have to understand, you can take the horse to the lake, but you can't make the horse drink the water. That is free will, that kind of a thing. Give them time is coming in. Give them time. It could be a dark night of the soul or certain kind of transformation which is happening. The world on a spin right now. Reality changing for them. Realizing that is also coming through. I'm excited to see how this works out. Makes sense, but they are nervous. That is coming in. There is an acknowledgement of this being deeper, maybe past life also in a certain way. And because, like, with time, I feel like they're realizing that this is a little stronger. You are in a very unusual person for them, not the usual type, perhaps. And, like, it's very difficult for them to read, perhaps. They get excited by you, turned on for some people also, like most, like romantically also, like turned on intellectually, but they feel that you'll judge their real side, is coming in. But if there is certain kind of sense of intimidation coming in from the other person's end, then they have to develop themselves or the self-worth which is very much required in order for them to come forward. Till then, sit in your power, keep elevating yourself, is coming through. Remember, you are the empress. All right, let's look into the charms. Very too many, but it's fine. All right. So we have firstly the key coming in, and with the Mickey Mouse Disney World kind of a thing. Yeah, playful side. Somewhere down the line, they really love the fact that while you are quite, mm, you have the gift of gab, you can express yourself quite strongly, respectfully, gracefully. At the very same time, you have a very good sense of humor. You unlock their playful side is coming in. They can really resonate with you on many, many different levels coming in. With the snake coming in over here, you have the ability, or you're being asked to shed old skin. You're inspiring that in them coming in over here. I'll just keep them here. Being swift, there will be a time wherein the decision making for some people who are in this indecisive mode, you are being given time by the universe to decide upon something, and there is a little bit of time that you have in making that, so don't pressurize yourself. Take a break if you feel overwhelmed and indecisive and all of that. Like, just take it easy, come back another day, look at things from a fresh perspective, and find that, or remind yourself of that one reason to do it anyway, that kind of a thing. With the moon over here, this says I love you to the moon and back coming through. Yeah, really, someone is like feeling very passionate but nervous, like crushing on you, heavily crushing on you, is coming in. And we have the anchor coming through, so still being a little hesitant into saying something because they too want to be sure. They may be a little stubborn, or maybe it may be an ultimatum that you have given to someone and they got to deliver, unless, because there's no budging, you is coming through. They will take some time to open up, express if they haven't already expressed how they feel. And we have the heart chakra coming through also over here. Now they have to open up their heart chakra also in order to communicate what they really feel. All I feel is that someone who's building up the strength to confess, because romantic deep feelings are there. There is an acknowledgement of something of the soul's divine counterpart energy which is coming in. But right now they're a little too overworked. It's all in the head which is coming in and it's causing procrastination. But kind of stuck in the dilemma, them two. In a way, mirroring you or you mirroring them. Heart to heart conversation, which is very much required, but you can only have it when they are open or take the initiative of doing it, is also coming in. I don't know why, again and again, time and again, I'm being asked to tell you sit in your power. Let the offers come through. Believe in you. Help the universe help you. I'll show you close up of the charms. So that was that. Speak your truth also came through. Love starts from within. Nurture yourself. Focus on your health. Become aware of what you're saying. Don't self sabotage. Think about positive things. Don't get fixated on the outcome. Free yourself from that worry. Do your part. Do the healing. Do the releasing. Do the nurturing. And let universe do its part. Also let it deliver. Give it time. Spirit, is there anything else that we need to know? Thank you. We have legends. Learn from those who inspire you coming in. There's this focus on health which came through suddenly. Like, take an old picture where you feel bodily, where you felt, or right now you feel is your ideal body type for yourself. Get that picture, look at it, remind yourself how you felt, work towards it is also coming in. Next we have choices, the best, what? Make the best choice coming in. Yeah, they know that the time is coming to come towards you because they will be seeing you working on yourself, improving, progressing, perhaps even opening up or letting indulging with other people, meeting other people if you are single, and that will, they know there is a countdown which is happening, but it is a decision making on their own part, the choice which they have to do. The conclusion that they have to draw has to come from within on their own is also coming in. You be yourself. Whatever is meant for you will not miss you. Do what inspires you. Don't sit idle in any way and worrying about outcomes or the time it may be taking. The spirit is just saying continue on a path which is advantageous for you. Move into compassion. Hold your stance. Stand strong. We have Lord Shiva coming in, third eye awakening that may be happening also. Transcendence, rise up, honor your inner force. Steps are being given, dance with the universe. Allow your soul to grow. Listen to the universal song and dance along. Listen to your heart's beautiful song and dance along. Be adaptable, be open to change. Let's not restrict ourselves by marrying ourselves on certain kind of agendas that we'll miss out the adjacent possibilities that may be flowing in. This is a time of change and you are getting empowered, ascension, transformations which are very much required, regeneration, rebirth also for new chapters to flow in. Be open, flexible, and adaptive to change coming through. Chanting Om Namaha or Om will be very, very beneficial for you. For some people out there, I do feel like, if this person is unable to make a decision and they just get cold feet and remain where they are, I feel you will also, like, you are changing the way you love yourself and all of that. Self love is always there, self importance also comes with Capricorn, but I feel like, you can see your life where it's going and you are starting to feel good about it. There are new endeavors, you are inspired to do something different, elevate yourself, add skill sets, and all of that. Like, you're really inspired to grow. And once you start focusing on something more productive instead of something which is causing procrastination, clogging up your energy, causing a lot of stress or anxiety, the moment you give it less importance, I think something more meaningful also could be coming in for some people out there, depending on what you choose. Right now, literally, the way you are so influential in certain ways, in every way rather, this is just saying there's a butterfly effect to everything you put your focus upon, you do, you choose, and all of that coming in. So become aware of the ripples that you're creating in your life. Make sure they are ripples of kindness, love, and abundance, and opening your life, inviting abundance to step into your world also. Appreciating all that there is around you is also coming in, and understanding that there may be certain kind of sudden exits that may be happening, certain situations that are changing because your perspective of yourself, perhaps, or the opportunities around you, and all of that. That is also changing, is coming through. Major changes which are coming in is the least that I can say. But someone who's really eager to express themselves, whether or not they fathom the strength of doing it or not, in actuality, depends on them. But right now, in the energy that you find this reading, this is what you are attracting. Whether or not you want to entertain this, especially if there are someone from the past, an ex also, that is totally upon you, and where you're vibrating what you really want in your life, what are your priorities, how it was, how the past was with this person, and all of that. You'll intuitively know what you want to do. I'm not going to tell you what to and what not to do, but the ball is rolling in your on your side of the court, which is coming through. Do the shadow work, warm up a little is also coming in, so that you can take that shot when the time is right. Listen to your intuition coming in very, very strongly. You have literally nothing to worry about. The way things are lining up for you, aligning for you, certain kind of karmic justice or a judgment which is being made in your favor, whether it is done in terms of this person or by the universe, by taking this person completely out and bringing someone new and all of that, or new opportunities. Take that one step, and the next steps will follow, will come forward. That is coming in. All right, so do let me know if this resonated with you. There were many mixed energies which came in. The spirit just wanted me to come back to you guys. Like I said, value who you are, value yourself highly, but with humility. Make sure, even if you're leading a pack, do it with integrity. Find compassion for yourself and then spread it across and inspire others by sharing your light coming through. So, happy birthday once again. A lot of best wishes, blessings to you all. May the source be with you, and share it with the loved ones. Please do hit the like and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for your precious time. Until next time, love, light, healing, empowerment, joy to you all, and Happy New Year too. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Monians.